Imagine a world where cleaning is no longer a chore, but a source of enjoyment, where every corner of your home is effortlessly taken care of. A world where cleaning becomes so easy that it perfectly fits into your daily routine, leaving you more time for what really matters. This world is within reach thanks to the cordless 2-in-1 floor cleaner Kärcher FC7. At first glance, this technological jewel promises you a revolution in the way you clean. But before diving into the fascinating world of this product, let me take you by the hand and guide you through an experience that could very well change your life. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers, and order your Kärcher FC7 right away. This 2-in-1 floor cleaner is ideal for those looking for an efficient, quick, and effortless cleaning solution for all types of hard floors. Perfect for those who want to keep their home spotless without worrying about the limitations of corded devices. The cordless Kärcher FC7 is not just a simple floor cleaner. It is the result of years of research and innovation designed to completely transform the way you keep your home clean. With an impressive battery life of 45 minutes and the ability to clean up to 135 meters on a single charge, this floor cleaner far surpasses anything you may have tried before. Imagine cleaning your entire home without ever worrying about changing outlets or recharging the device. It is the embodiment of freedom of movement, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning. But that's not all. The Kärcher FC7 is equipped with 3 cleaning modes suitable for all types of hard floors. Whether you have delicate parquet, shiny tiles, or any other type of flooring, this device adjusts its action for optimal cleaning without the risk of damaging your floors. From the gentle parquet mode to the powerful boost mode, each setting is designed to meet specific needs, ensuring effective and tailored cleaning. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and order it at the best price. The cordless design of the Kärcher FC7 is a true revolution, offering unprecedented mobility. No more constraints of tangled cords holding you back. With this device, you can now move freely in your space, reaching every corner effortlessly. The lightweight and maneuverability of this device make it easy to use, even for cleaning under furniture thanks to its 90-degree tilting flexible head. One of the most innovative aspects of the cordless Kärcher FC7 is its self-cleaning roller system. After finishing your cleaning, simply place the device on its docking station. It will take care of cleaning its own rollers, saving you this task and ensuring that the device will be ready and hygienic for the next use. Additionally, with these machine-washable microfiber rollers, you can be sure of an effective and eco-friendly clean every time. What truly sets the Kärcher FC7 apart is its ability to clean with fresh water from start to finish. Its ingenious system separates clean water from dirty water, ensuring that you are not just spreading dirt around. Your floors dry quickly, leaving behind a sparkling cleanliness in just 2 minutes. And with the visual and audible signal indicating the water level, you are always informed, ensuring an efficient and hassle-free cleaning. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now and revolutionize your daily life. The bright yellow color of the Kärcher FC7 signature Blavak is not just aesthetic, it symbolizes the power, efficiency, and reliability of a device designed to last. With a 5-year guarantee on the availability of spare parts, you are investing not only in a floor cleaner, but in a durable and reliable cleaning companion. With over 3,400 reviews, boasting an impressive average rating of 4 out of 5 stars, the Kärcher FC7 Cordless has already won the hearts of thousands of users. Each review is a testament to a transformed cleaning experience, a lighter daily routine, and a cleaner, more welcoming home. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. A battery life of 45 minutes. Allows for cleaning large areas of up to 135 meters on a single charge. Advantage number 2. Cordless. Offers complete freedom of movement without worrying about cables. Advantage number 3. Versatility. With 3 cleaning modes, it adapts to all types of hard floors. Advantage number 4. Self-cleaning of the rollers. Simplifies the maintenance of the device after use. Advantage number 5. Maneuverability. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially under furniture thanks to its flexible head. Advantage number 6. Hygienic. It is through clean water that dirty water is removed for always effective cleaning with clean water. Advantage number 7. Quick drying. Leaves floors clean and dry in just 2 minutes. Now let's move on to some disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Tank capacity. With a capacity of 0.4 liters for clean water and 0.2 liters for dirty water, frequent refills may be necessary for very large areas. Disadvantage number 2. Weight. Despite good maneuverability, its weight of 4.3 kilo could be a disadvantage for some people, especially when transporting it between different floors. In conclusion, the Kärcher Cordless 2-in-1 Floor Cleaner FC7 is not just another household appliance, it is a revolution in your home, a promise of unprecedented cleanliness and comfort. If you want to transform your cleaning routine into a pleasant, efficient, and effortless experience, click the link in the description to order yours at the best price. Discover for yourself why thousands of customer reviews sing the praises of this revolutionary product. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.